PP20 Cable Fault Pin-pointer Operation Demonstration. 1. Introduction to instruments and accessories. Device host. Ground penetrating radar. Connecting rod. Monitoring headphones. Connecting cable. Charger. 2. Instrument assembly. Ground penetrating radar connected to connecting rod. Align the connecting rod plug with the top center slot of the sensor. Press down while holding the outer ring. Release the outer ring once the rod is fully inserted. Connect the signal cables to the interfaces of the ground penetrating radar and the PP20 locator. Insert the headphone plug into the locator's front panel interface. 3. Introduction to instrument buttons and interface. Headphone jack. Mute button. Power switch. Function keys. Magnetic signal bar. Acoustic signal bar. Current time difference. Previous time difference. Guide compass. Cable position relative to radar, left, right. 4. Introduction to testing principles. Applying a high voltage pulse causes the fault point to break down and discharge. The fault point generates acoustic and magnetic signals at the moment of breakdown. The magnetic field signal propagates faster than the acoustic signal. The time difference between their arrival at the radar is called the acoustic-magnetic time difference. 5. Function configuration. Filter settings. All pass. High pass. Low pass. Band pass. High pass filter is recommended. Automatic mute switch recommended to be turned on. Background noise reduction. Adaptive. Strong. Off. Adaptive noise reduction is recommended. 6. Instrument usage. Turn on the cable fault locator power and apply high voltage pulses to the faulty phase. Carry the locator to the pre-estimated fault area for precise pinpointing. When both the acoustic and magnetic signal bars flash simultaneously, it indicates a valid signal trigger. Move the location and perform multi-point comparison. The smaller the acousto-magnetic time difference, the closer it is to the fault point. Location complete.